Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited. I got BOLZANO bags. This is for January, but this is the new limited edition LUX Plus subscription to show you guys. Do you want to know what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, my January bag just arrived, and this is the new LUX Plus. This was sent to me for review, so thank you so much, BOLZANO, for sending me this amazing bag to show my viewers. This one is limited edition, and it is a quarterly subscription, so you'd buy 3 months at a time, but I will get into all of the pricing and everything towards the end once I show you what's in here, and I'm so excited to see a new variation. So now they have a brand new one, and I'm so excited to see what's inside. So every time you get it like this, and it is in a mailer bag. I remove the mailer bag, this is what's inside. All of their bags come in these duster bags with their logo on it, and I really do appreciate that they all come in a duster bag. And then they have this little tag on the top, and it says, "You deserve to be spoiled." Yes, we do. So when you remove the tag, then we can get into, ooh, I haven't had this color before. Look at that, you guys. How cute is that? So they always do have like their little logo that's hanging on the side. You can leave that there. You can take it off and put it on your keychain or whichever. I always leave mine on because I think it adds a little curb appeal. And it does have these right here. So there's going to be longer straps inside. So you can actually use these straps right here to use your purse, or if you want it to be longer or like a crossbody, you can utilize the straps that will be inside that I will show you. But from the outside, that is the design, that is the color, that is the style. So front and back and the shoulder straps, this is a different color. This is like a little bit of a darker color, which I think is super cute because it gives it a little variation in color scheme. So you have like the light tannish brown, and then you have a little bit of a darker brownish grayish color, which matches perfectly with silver hardware. And I think that is super cute. And I love the fact that we can get a new purse every month. So you can switch them out every single month. You can switch them out with your outfits. You can do whatever you like. So here's this month's purse, and it does have the little feet on the bottom. I think almost every bag that I've received from them has little feet on the bottom. Okay, you guys, so this does have the zipper on the top. The whole thing is all zippered, so nothing is going to fall out if your purse happens to tip over or something like in your vehicle. So let's go ahead and dive in here and let's see what the inside looks like. So here are the longer straps, and they are actually adjustable as well. So for this, you just click it on your purse or your bag, and it is adjustable. So you can have it adjustable to go whatever length you desire. So there's that. And then here is the bag of goods. But let me continue to show you the purse. So the inside of the purse, it does have a zipper pocket right here, and it goes in pretty deep. And then on this side, there's 2 pockets right there. All right. And then normally I have a card that talks about the bag that they gave me, and it tells me if it's vegan leather, and I think they also have like a cowhide leather that they use, but I don't see any card this time to tell me, so I'm not sure what this bag is made out of. I don't like assuming, but if you're gonna ask me to assume, I'm going to say this is probably their vegan leather, because this looks like the same type of material that I have been getting, and all my purses that I've gotten thus far have been the vegan leather. So I'm going to assume this is vegan leather. But it is very, very pretty, and I love their bags, you guys. So then down inside here, this is where the different variation is going to be with the LUX Plus. And the cost of this monthly is $49.50. So $49.50 with free shipping. You get a bag, which is tailored by your profile. And then you get 4 to 5 beauty items with the free product that's worth $25 pretty much on its own. So let's go ahead and dive in here. Let's see what kind of products are going to be in here, which they always do change. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out, this would be, I believe, a scarf, which you can hang on the side of your bag. Yes, so you can use this to put on the side of your bag, or you can even use it in your hair. You can use this for whichever you would like, but it's like a little silk scarf accessory for your hair or your purse. So you can tie it on the side of your purse if you would like, or you can put it in your hair. So that is really cute. And then it adds a little bit of pop of color. So if you're trying to like match an outfit or anything like that, you could always add that to accessorize a little bit more. Then this is the product that you would get for free. This is the product that is valued at $24.95 all on its own. And this looks like it's an aquatic source gel, 48-hour continuous release hydration. This is to normal to combination skin. And this sounds amazing. Anything skincare I'm willing to try. I love anything that moisturizes your skin. So, ooh, that's a nice little container. That's a pretty jar, and it's a glass jar, you guys. And this thing says, let's see if it has directions. Apply to face morning and or evening. So that's all it says. So it's something you just put on your face and you just set it and forget it. You don't have to rinse it off or anything, which I really love those. And then it does have a little topper here. And then when you pull that off, that's what it looks like on the inside. It has a nice faint scent to it. It smells really good. And I think it's going to feel amazing by the consistency. Yeah, it smells really nice. Ooh, and it feels good. Ooh, it just like hydrated my hand instantly. Woo-wee. I can't wait to try that on my face. That smells really good. And I really like this bottle. Not only is it like my favorite color, it's super cute and this feels amazing. Ooh, I can't wait. And this is the free item that you get for signing up for this particular subscription. Then you have in here is this little bag, and it has some sunglasses in here. So here is what the sunglasses look like. Very cute. Try to get my lights off of them. What do you guys think? I'm very, very picky with sunglasses because I have this round little face of mine over here. Well, not really little. I don't really have anything little on me, but maybe my nose. My lips are little. There you go. That's what's little on me. But normally with my round face, it's super, super hard for me to find sunglasses that I actually like and feel that they look decent on me. And I think these look good. What do you guys think? Again, I'm trying to get my lights off, so I'm trying to be at a little angle over here. But what do you think? I think they're cute. I think those are super cute. So you have a pair of sunglasses. Then let's see here. And it comes in this little bag, which is amazing because then you get to keep them protected. Then you have some silicone nip covers. You get some nipple covers. You would think accessory for your purses, but this is an accessory for your boobies. And this is a 1 pair, self-adhesive, reusable up to 30 times. And that's what it looks like right there. So you have some silicone nipple covers by Hanky Panky Cosmetics. That's cute. Hanky Panky Cosmetics. So there's that. Then you have a necklace right here. Let me get this out of the package so we can see what it looks like. So it does have this nice adjustable top. You can pretty much go as much as you would like. And then the bottom has this really cute design. Does it say something? It says love. Aw, all you need is love. So that says love, and then it has like this little hanging tassel. That is really cute. They find some really cute stuff. So let's see here. I don't have it on the highest or the lowest setting, but so if you were to have it higher, you can have it go up higher if you would like, or you can even have it go down lower. But that's just how I put it right now. That is really cute. That's really cute. So there's a necklace and it fits me. And I think it's really cute with the design. Then the last item in here is in this little pouch. So let's get this opened and see what's in here. Oh, there are little oils in here. Ooh, there's three, they're like a 3 set. So let's see here. This one says Vitamin C Whitening Serum. Promotes cell rejuvenation, encourages collagen protection, improves elasticity and even skin tone, helps eliminate fine lines and wrinkles, hydrates and nourishes your skin, pH balance, hypoallergenic for all skin types, not tested on animals. So there's a vitamin C. And this says, gently apply 2 to 3 drops or as needed onto clean face and neck. Massage with fingertips in a circular motion until fully absorbed. Use daily, morning and night for smooth and radiant looking skin. So there's number 1. This one right here is collagen anti-aging serum. Reduces fine lines and wrinkles, enhances elasticity, boosts skin strength, hydrates and nourishes, delays the effects of aging, pH balance, hypoallergenic for all skin type, not tested on animals. And this one says, gently apply 2 to 3 drops or as needed onto clean face and neck. Massage. Okay, so same instructions, just a different type of a serum. This one's for collagen, anti-aging. And then this last one is argan oil, moisture and anti-aging serum. This rejuvenates, hydrates, and nourishes, visibly decreases expression lines and wrinkles, improves density and elasticity of skin, max moisturizing skin, even skin tone, delays the effects of aging, pH balance, hypoallergenic for all skin types, not tested on animals. So there's the argan oil. So there's all 3. All 3 sound like they are definitely going to help with fine lines, wrinkles, smile lines, elasticity, collagen, and pH balance, rejuvenates, hydrates, and nourishes. So if you were to use all 3 of these, like not the same day, but a combination of all 3 of these, I think you would get some amazing results. So argan oil, collagen, and vitamin C. So all 3 of these came in this little bag. You can always use this bag for anything else that you would like, but these 3 came in this particular bag. So that is everything that came in my LUX Plus. And again, you have the oils. This was the free product that, oh my goodness, I definitely see a huge difference because before I put it on, I saw my hand was really, really dry. The last few days have been kind of cooler here in Florida, so it's not humid. So there's no moisture in the air right now. So my skin is getting dry, and it only happens like a few days out of the year because every other day is just very hot and humid. So I don't need a whole lot of moisture during those times. But when I first put it on, I could tell my hand looked very dry. And now it looks nice and smooth like a baby's Beauteque. It looks very nice and hydrated. And I can totally see a huge difference even though it's completely dried down. I see a huge difference. So I cannot wait to use this on my face at night before I go to bed. You have the nip covers. You have the pair of sunglasses. And you have this necklace. So now let me go ahead and tell you about the different tiers of subscriptions that they have currently to offer. They have 3 different subscriptions to offer. One of them is the purse and accessory monthly. So you get a purse with a few accessories, and that starts at $33.95 per month. You have the LUX handbag, which is the bag, the accessories, and beauty products. That one is $43.95 per month. Now, this one, again, is a limited time. Right now, they're offering this. This is the LUX Plus. It's the handbag, accessories, and beauty products, plus this product right here, which, again, feels amazing. So this one is $49.50. So it's only a couple dollars more than the regular Luxe, and you get this $25 product plus other accessories. And that one is again $49.50, and you have to do it at a 3-month increment. So you would be paying $148.50 for 3 months of this, because it is a quarterly subscription that they're offering this. And again, it's a limited time only, and it includes 4 to 5 more beauty items plus the free product right here. Now, a little bit more about BOLZANO. You get to, when you subscribe to any of their subscriptions, it immediately will give you a survey. On that survey, you get to tell them the colors you like, the colors you don't like, the styles you like, the styles you don't like. You have an actual profile that's tailored for your likings of what kind of bags you want to receive. And then their stylist goes off of your profile to pick the best bags for you every month that you have your subscription. You can cancel at any time, but you get to get this amazing bag with accessories, or this bag with accessories and beauty products delivered to your door every month. Again, you can cancel at any time, but I really do like that they go off of your profile. Now, when I set up my profile, I basically opened it to anything and everything because I wanted to show you guys the differences that they bring, not just what I like, because I might not like what other people like. So I kind of opened I broadened my horizons so I can show you guys the different styles. So I didn't get just picky with what I like. I kind of opened it so we can see all the different types of amazing bags that they make. And they are vegan leather or cowhide leather. Most of the ones that I've received, I think almost every bag that I've received has been the vegan leather, and they're an amazing quality. They're very light. So when you put your stuff in here, you're not gonna have this heavy weighing you down. This is a very nice light feeling, but they're very good quality. Now, you can use my code SheCraftyGift. SheCrafty Gift will get you a free item worth up to $45. And how you do it is you put your subscription, whatever subscription it is that you're going to purchase, in your cart. Then you go to the search bar, and in the search bar, you're going to type in SheCrafty Gift and then hit search, and it'll add in the extra free item to your cart that you will receive in your first subscription box or bag. The bags that we get are always valued up to $250 for the bags alone, and we pay a fraction of the price. At the $33.95 is the lowest one that they're doing with the purse and monthly accessories, or $43.95 if you want to add in the beauty accessories as well. And I'm so glad that they sent me the new LUX Plus, that I can show you guys their new limited time subscription that they have to offer. So again, this is the bag. We got the scarf. We have this amazing feeling skincare product. We have the necklace, sunglasses, the 3 different serums, and the nip slip covers. So that is everything that we got, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's subscription? Do you get this? Are you on the fence with getting this? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.